This video is going to blow your mind. It's one of the simplest things that you can do to share your Wi-Fi password with your guests. Now, this doesn't matter if you're in accommodation, also if you're in hospitality, or if you're in any space where you need to share a QR code. I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's going to be in under 1 minute. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to jump onto Google and you're going to do a search for QR code generator for Wi-Fi password. Quite straightforward. Then what you'll do is you'll click Wi-Fi code generator, and at this stage you only need two pieces of information. You'll need the network name. Now let's call it Bart's Wi-Fi, just for the fun of it. And then you're going to put in the password, so whatever your password is. Password for Wi-Fi. And then you're going to generate the QR code. It's as simple as that. This QR code here, now if someone scans it with their mobile phone, they will be able to be connected directly to the Wi-Fi without needing to write down the password or anything like that. It's awesome if you're in accommodation. You can print this out and put it onto your fridge. It's awesome if you're in a restaurant and people keep on asking you for the Wi-Fi password. You just give them the QR code and off you go. If you want to get a bit more advanced, you can put your logos into the QR code. You can change the graphics to a little scan me. You download the JPEG. With this particular website, it takes a few seconds. Then you download it, print it out, and then you can start putting up all over the place. That is the simple way to create QR codes with Wi-Fi passwords all embedded into one. Really straightforward. Any questions, ask me below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you. Take care.